for someone who wants to do it themselves, what is all involved as far as training and equipment that is needed?
The equipment and training that's needed in the process of dry ice cleaning is a compressor, you need your blast machine, you need dry ice, you need scoops to get the dry ice out of it, you need the air hoses to hook up to the machines and the compressors, you need the whip checks for the air hoses so they don't blast off and hit somebody.
Nozzles.
You need the nozzles, guns. There's a variety of different equipment that you would need, and trying to do it yourself would not be practical. There's a couple of different trainings you need to be proficient in dry ice blasting. Some are lead training, respiratory training, so you know how to properly use a full face and how to check your seal with your full face.
Asbestos training.
Yes, asbestos training, HAZWOPER, because we do go into warehouses and different locations where they have chemicals or hazardous particulates that are in the air.
Confined space training.
Yes.
You definitely get in a lot of tight little spaces.
And all of those will make you beautiful workers.